I find that
Show of hands.
I find it hard to believe. I believe there's.
I would ask our internet people. I would ask them, how many people on here would consider themselves to be laymen whenever it comes to technology, and how many of you understand how to do a basic Hello World program? That's a good challenge.
I think there's a lot of people that are bakers and teachers and car mechanics,
and half of them probably know how to do Hello World program. A very basic program, because it's been such a part of our world. It was from whenever I was a kid.
Okay, so it's because they know the Hello World thing that makes them understand AI.
No, I didn't say it makes them understand AI, but it makes them technology people.
Okay, yes, they're technology people.
Because I bet you don't know how to program.
I have no idea.